Hi, Barbara and Mojica, aka Little Miss History, back with you again for another 2-Minute Teacher mini lesson. A lesson you can set up in about 2 minutes. This week's topic is synonyms. Synonyms are words that roughly mean the same. And in order to enrich your vocabulary and also give further color to your writing, synonyms are a valuable tool. I'm going to be using a worksheet from my education.com Pinterest board, and the title is Substitute with Synonyms. Here you have a word bank. In the word bank, we have several words. Below, there are 10 sentences. In each of the 10 sentences, a word is underlined. Ask your student to read the sentence, look at the underlined word, and choose a word from the word bank that means roughly the same. For example, pretty and beautiful, or fast and quick. Now, when you get done with this activity, you can ask the child to think of other words that describe or tell something about. And then, after they make a list of those words, they can think of a synonym, a word that is the same or almost the same in meaning. And they can keep track of these on paper, and it would be ideal to keep them in a notebook. So as your synonyms grow, your vocabulary also grows. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson, and please hit the subscribe button to get notifications of new mini lessons. Check out all of my learning opportunities at www.littlemisshistory.com. Until next time, bye for now.